Come explore.
Hello, welcome to Pappy's Ranch. I just had my finger in front of you. Well, today we're working, me and my son-in-law working on the overhang or the roof for the chickens. It's kind of tough because they got all that chicken wire in the way, but we're gonna keep working on it, and I'll video little snippets of it and let you see what we're doing. All right, what are you doing?
I'm gonna put this little clamp on this. Oh, there we go. This board, so we can have a frame to.
Yeah, what we're
a little metal awning up there, so they'll have some shade and some.
What we're using is we're using a 2-hole strap for conduit to get to strap the header piece, because this chicken pin here, you notice it's shorter. It's a different type pin, so I got to bring that level up to the other one so it'll be level roof. You can see the piece of wood I got going across there, but we got to have to spacer a piece of wood to bring it up to the same height as the other. That's how it's looking so far. We're attaching the wood to the roof.
There it goes.
I told you, went through, put 2 of them in each piece of wood there, and then we made it when we put the 2x4 and 1x4 up on this shorter pin. It made it perfect on the height of the deal, so it's all gonna shed water from south to north, just like the roof does on the pig, on the chicken coop. We always got a problem with Daniel.
I don't put that one on because I want it to sit flush on that board down there.
Well, I mean, tighten that one down. Don't let it. Tighten that one down, and then we'll just push that one down to set flush.
Okay.
Because if you leave it loose when we get a big wind in the wintertime like we did on that goat pin, it'll blow it off.
Maybe I won't put them, you know.
Yeah, put them on it. Yeah, that's a good idea. Just make sure it's even with that roof line. Even with the roof line over. Can you get them in?
This way?
Yeah, see the 2x4 even with the.
Oh, okay. That's what you're saying.
There you go. Very good. Now we just got to go around, do the other side, and then we'll be ready to attach it to the, if we got enough, if we can get out to it. Sorry about the camera work. I'm not the best in the world. Very good.
There we go.
Now I got to figure out how to attach it to that 2x4 over there.
Might have to go in from underneath.
You can't. How strong is it going across on that 2x4? Is it not going to hold you? I don't want you to do anything dangerous.
No, I can't walk out on that 2x4. It's not gonna hold me.
I'll watch you. I won't catch you, but I'll watch you.
Maybe if I went on belly first.
No, don't worry about it. We'll go from underneath and cut the wire.
I don't know, Joe. Sounds like a lot of work. Let me see.
Nah, I wouldn't do that. It's not gonna hold you.
Yeah.
The 2x4 would, but the chicken run wouldn't.
Yeah.
Get around here and hold this ladder. Daniel, if he was to fall, we'd get a lot of views on.
Yeah. Be good for a laugh at least. Oh.
That's a lot better bit. It's not slipping there like.
If I had some like a hook I could grab it with. My hand's too big.
There it goes. It's coming down now. We'll put another one in there and see if you can suck it on down with it. Where?
He's under the chicken house. I saw the brown head. I thought one of the chickens had got out.
Suck it down.
No, if it was just a way to.
Okay, back it out. Back out the first one. A little bit. Okay, now suck it in. Okay, check the other bolt that you put in.
Yeah.
Did you get two in this one?
And this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. All right. Make sure you get right up the edge.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to tell you what to do.
Okay.
Very good.
This screw won't go on the bit. Never mind. I think I missed the board that time, Bill.
Let me look. Yeah, it's too high. Go down. Go back towards the chicken coop about 2 inches. Back another inch on the next one, back farther than that. Grizzly, Polar.
Leave them chickens alone, doggone.
This is the kind of the finished product. At least they got a porch going over. Their chicken coop turned out pretty good. Got the big owl up there, scare away any birds. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's got the That's it. Well, thank you for watching. It wasn't the most professional job, but it turned out pretty good what I needed it for, to kind of shade keep the rain off the chickens. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and you can share it too on Facebook if you want. Thank you for watching. Thank you.